Yeah, so hello guys, this is Shelton. I'm here with a new update on my project. So basically, I've been writing MVPs and other portfolios to try to keep you guys updated on my projects. The data being on my TikTok page, on my Medium login page. So I'll just give you guys a quick review on the completion of this project. So basically, in the next project, first you have to clone the project. So when you come here, you actually see the project I've cloned from my GitHub repository. So sitting into the project, you can see all the files and assets that I need for this program to be able to run or execute successfully. So basically, we have the GIF here right here, and this is just a compiled text file which I use to run myself of the GCC commands so I don't miss anyone else. So basically, you can see we have the header file also. I'm trying to list out the header files. You can see list of header files here. We have header from the H extension for C, and we also have images here. So you can see all sort of image which we use to map into our objects. And apart from that, we also have the simple directive layer installation script for both Ubuntu and Linux. So it works on Ubuntu 14.04. Right now I'm using Ubuntu 18, version 18. So I try to view this code, the shell script, sorry, for this installation program. You can see various, and this is all for both Ubuntu and macOS. So right here I have my makefile. The makefile is giving instruction of how we are going to compile the files in this particular directory, which is the name. So um, I can view the source code for that so you can see what we're passing into GCC. This is the command we want GCC to perform when we run the makefile, and what should happen if we try to run the makefile with an argument run, or if we try to run the makefile with another argument plain. So basically, we say make, by default it is going to build our entire project, that is both the library files and the header file. It is going to compile everything. It will build it into it will build the source file also and everything into our executable binary file. So if we try to if we run make if we hit make run, it is going to build it, and it is also going to execute the command, which is dot slash miss. So there are either ways of doing this. You can just say make to compile. I already have my program compiled. As you can see here, I have the executable binary maze file. So you wait for this to run if it is your first time and you're trying to compile the program in your system. So after this, you can just execute it with this, hit enter, and for sure you get this. So and okay guys, so right here we already have the program. So you can see the mapping right here and the textures, and this is all the kind of 2D game right here. So basically the current issue with this project is um, recasting the controller movement and syncing with the mapping movement also. So it's kind of lagging, as you can see. Guys trying to go inside this robot. There are already some colliding so there are already some colliding implementation in this project that prevents the player from moving into walls, like passing through walls and all that. So it will be very impossible for the player to move into walls or any object in this game. So this is basically what it's all about, and you can actually say it's lagging on my Ubuntu 18. So if you want to learn more about this project, you can head on to the official site. Yeah, just learn the basic of simple directive layer programming and all that. It's not really difficult. I think what you just need to know is the setup and installation, and once you know about all that, you're good to go. You can just go ahead to fire up a window under SDL. And you must make sure you're using the latest current SDL library, which is SDL2, so you can start adding other functions from the actual library in the SDL. So that's just it. Uh, there's not much to discuss about, so I'll leave you guys to this. But for those who are asking, when you go to your Chrome browser, just search for SDL2. When you search for this, hit enter. Then the first link you get there should be the actual original link, the official site. So from there you can continue your work. So you can see here we have the simple direct media layer. You can click on this to go to the home page, or you can click on the wiki page to check out the installation and all that. And you can also click on tutorials so you can learn more about how all this works. So it's not really difficult. You just have to take a step forward. So this is actually the framework. It is not actually a framework. It's more like um, a platform, here, or a development library. So what it does is it gives us low-level access to the audio, keyboard, mouse, joystick, and graphic hardware via the OpenGL or Direct 3D um, hardware in our device. So right here, you can start learning whatsoever you want to learn. To download, you can either go to GitHub or SDL releases. And once again, thank you for watching this video.